Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Dryer Sheets is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential laundry companions, silently transforming your clothes from a tangled, static-filled mess into soft, fresh-smelling garments, making them a crucial element in achieving that perfect, comfortable feel right out of the dryer. And today we're diving deep into what makes a truly great sheet stand out from the rest. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Sheets Fresh Scent. Introducing a revolutionary way to do laundry. These innovative sheets are an eco-conscious alternative to traditional liquid detergents, significantly reducing plastic waste. Say goodbye to bulky bottles and messy spills. Its compact, liquidless design makes it perfect for travel and small living spaces. Whether you prefer hot or cold water, it dissolves completely. This ensures a thorough clean in all your wash cycles. Don't let tough stains and lingering odors stand a chance. It's formulated to tackle even the most stubborn dirt, leaving your clothes fresh. Concerned about skin irritation? These sheets are designed to be gentle, making them suitable for the whole family, even those with sensitive skin. What we like? This innovative option offers a convenient, eco-friendly way to clean your clothes. Its liquidless design makes it incredibly travel-friendly and mess-free. If you are looking for a sustainable laundry solution that's also gentle on sensitive skin, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Smart Sheep XL Premium Wool Dryer Balls. Say goodbye to traditional fabric softeners and dryer sheets. They often contain chemicals that can irritate skin and harm the environment. Discover an eco-friendly alternative for your laundry. These premium XL wool balls are designed to revolutionize your drying routine. Made from 100% natural wool, they gently soften your clothes. Experience a new level of comfort without any added chemicals. They work by separating your laundry, allowing hot air to circulate more efficiently. This means faster drying and lower energy bills for you. No more buying disposable dryer sheets. This 6-pack is a reusable, long-lasting solution that saves you money and reduces waste. Trusted by many, they've earned recognition for their superior quality and effectiveness. Join countless satisfied customers who love them. What we like? These natural wool balls are a fantastic reusable alternative to traditional dryer sheets. They help soften fabrics and can even reduce your drying time, saving energy. If you prefer a chemical-free, long-lasting option that's good for the environment and your wallet, you should consider these. What people say. Number 3. Gain Dryer Sheets Plus Wrinkle Release. Say goodbye to stubborn wrinkles and static cling. These sheets are designed to make your laundry routine simpler and more effective. Just toss one into your dryer, and watch as it works its magic. They help smooth out creases, leaving your clothes looking neater. Beyond wrinkles, they also tackle static. Your garments will come out feeling soft and free from annoying cling. Enjoy the classic, refreshing original scent that lasts. With 240 sheets, this pack offers long-lasting freshness and convenience. These versatile laundry sheets are a must-have for any household. They deliver multiple benefits in one easy step, making laundry day a breeze. What we like? For those seeking classic performance, this option delivers reliable wrinkle release and anti-static benefits. It leaves your laundry feeling soft with a familiar, pleasant scent. If you are looking for a straightforward solution to reduce wrinkles and static cling in your everyday laundry, this is a solid pick. What people say. Number 2. Bounce Pet Hair and Lint Guard Mega Dryer Sheets. Are you constantly battling pet hair on your clothes? These innovative dryer sheets are designed to tackle even the most stubborn fur, leaving your laundry looking cleaner. Equipped with 3X pet hair fighters, they actively work to repel and remove unwanted hair from your fabrics. You'll notice a significant difference after just one use. Not only do they fight pet hair, but they also act as a powerful fabric softener. Your clothes will come out feeling incredibly soft and smelling wonderfully fresh. These mega dryer sheets are larger and more effective, ensuring comprehensive coverage for every load. They make laundry day easier and more efficient. Enjoy a delightful fresh scent that lasts, and with 120 sheets per pack, you're well stocked for many loads. Keep your clothes pristine and pleasant smelling. What we like? Dealing with pet hair can be a challenge, but this specialized sheet is designed to tackle it head-on. It boasts 3x pet hair fighters and helps guard against lint. If you have furry friends at home and want to minimize pet hair on your clothes, this product is specifically tailored for your needs. What people say. Number 1. Downy Infusions Calm Dryer Sheets. Transform your laundry routine with these exceptional dryer sheets. They are designed to infuse your clothes with a delightful softness and freshness. Indulge in the serene aroma of lavender and vanilla bean. This calming scent will leave your fabric smelling wonderfully inviting. Not only do they make your clothes incredibly soft, but they also effectively fight static cling. Enjoy a more comfortable feel with every wear. Adding them to your dryer is effortless. Just toss one in with your wet clothes to unlock their full benefits. Each box provides a generous supply of 200 sheets, ensuring long-lasting freshness and softness for many loads to come. Elevate your everyday laundry into a luxurious experience. Your family will love the gentle touch and soothing fragrance they provide. What we like. Indulge your senses with the calming aroma of lavender and vanilla bean from this fabric softener. It infuses your clothes with a soothing scent while providing excellent softness. If you like your laundry to have a luxurious, relaxing fragrance and feel incredibly soft, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.